Hi, from Phuket, Thailand. Now I'm traveling to Jeju Island, South Korea. I have a layover in Shanghai, China. So this time I'm gonna show you what are the requirements and how to get inside without a visa. So isn't that exciting? Because usually Filipinos need visa and a lot of things. So this is a great opportunity because we don't require visa now. We can directly go inside. So let's see the process. I booked my tickets via chip.com and I got the Chinese Airlines flight with free food and 46 kg baggage. Also, I have an 11-hour layover in Shanghai. So according to the new China rule that passengers who have a layover with less than 24 hours can enter to China freely. So you don't need any visa as long as your layover is less than 24 hours. I landed in Shanghai at around 1:15 a.m. I felt so good because it's my dream to be in the land of China, you know. So this time I have to clear the immigrations first. The first thing that you need to do is to fill in the China arrival form. So I am not sure if we can do this online, just counter check in the website. But in my case, I filled it in the immigration area already. My China immigration was smooth. It took me only around 5 minutes because they just asked me where am I coming from, when is my next flight, how long is my layover there in China, and what is my work in Thailand. So it's just easy as long as you have the documents. And oh yeah, they also asked me about my work permit. And then after that, they took a photo of me and then I'm going to go inside. Now it's time for me to explore the airport for some time, and I will go to the city center around 6 o'clock because trains will open at 6 o'clock. Trains, buses, and everything will open at 6 o'clock because as you can see now, the airport is almost empty since it is 1:30 a.m. I like this airport actually because it's really traveler friendly. In this section, you can see everything that you are looking for. So it's easier to spot. So like, oh, I'm just going to go to the 3rd floor, to the 2nd floor, the baggage storage is there. It's easier. You don't need to go to the information desk to ask someone. However, I just had a little problem connecting to the Wi-Fi. I don't know what's wrong. Is it my phone or something else? But good thing I brought 2 phones. One is iPhone and the other is Android. Android connects automatically, but my iPhone, I had a trouble logging in. So just go to the Wi-Fi button in your settings of your phone and then scan your passport. It'll automatically be connected. Since I have my luggage, I stored it at the baggage storage in this airport. My itinerary for today are the following. First is the Bund, next is Yu Garden and the Yu Market to buy souvenirs. Now let's explore their metro. So actually it's just the same as other countries, just like in Bangkok as well. So you have to go to the vending machine, get the token and enter the train, of course. And now I'm heading to Nanjing East Road. So this will take me less than 2 hours to reach. So it's still very far, right? Just after the exit of the train and you will see the beautiful Bund. The Bund in Shanghai is famous for its riverfront skyline, and also as you can see, there are many beautiful buildings here of famous brands of gadgets and a lot more. Still 8 o'clock, and as you can see, there are not that much people and everything is still perfect, and the sunshine, the quiet place, and it's so clean here. So beautiful, Shanghai. This place is perfect for walking in the morning and also strolling in the afternoon. So nice to take a deep breath here. After spending quite some time here, now I'm heading to the Yu Garden, which is famous for its classic Chinese garden design. so we'll see. And be reminded that there is an entrance fee for this garden, which costs 40 yuan for each person. It's beautiful and I roam around everything here. I also made a wish somewhere. The market is just outside the Yu Garden and there are plenty of options. They open at 9 a.m. in the morning. And also, they are so cheap and beautiful. Time check, it's 10 o'clock and I have to go back to the airport because my flight is at 1:15 p.m. I don't want to be late. And now, I feel like I'm running out of time. So, the best option for me to take to the airport is by the Maglev train. Now, I have to go to the Maglev train station. So, from Nanjing East Road, I have to take the train to another station. Exit the station, then go up, follow the signage, and you will see the Maglev train station. So there, you buy the tickets. Oh my god, this is so amazing. Just 8 minutes. Earlier I traveled around 2 hours, but now just 8 minutes to the airport. It feels so overwhelming, right? China is so good in technology. I feel so great that I experienced this. I made it at the airport. I claimed my baggage and then I ran to do the check-in. And yeah, I made it in time. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you still have some questions or clarification about the immigration requirements or something, you can just comment down and I will assist you. Thank you so much. Now I'm heading to Jeju Island. Wait for my next vlog about this one. Okay, so thank you.